What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to my channel here at the Taylor Family Hawaii, Taylor Fam HI. Um, today, today's Wednesday. I got my weekly deposit of $200, and I'm gonna purchase a stock here. And the stock today will be Covanta Energy. Excuse me if I said it wrong, but um, let's let's look into it. So here on the island, we do have this company. They do burn trash and turn it into energy, and they I'm purchasing growth and value stocks for the long term, especially with everything turning green and being more sustainable world. I believe this is where I'll focus my investments to. And here, um, Covanta, I believe. Um, it's been flying underneath the radar for ever since March here. Early in March, it was a $14 stock, and um, if I hit a 5 year, it stayed around this range. It pays a small dividend, and I think it has room to bounce back and further its growth into the future. Again, this is stocks are a savings account to me. You get a good return on your money. And if nobody knows what this company does, it basically burns trash and turns it into energy. Um, yeah, I so this is just everybody has Robinhood, so I wanted to show you guys on Robinhood this morning, and I stopped using Robinhood for long-term investing due to just it's so easy to access, and um, recently I've lost a lot of a few dollars on some options when the sites got shut down and stuff. So I do a little options here on still, but I'll click on my E-Trade um, tab, and um, let's look at the portfolio. So this is my fourth week and depositing $200 a week, and so far it's not too bad. Let me click on portfolio and review this real quick, and then we'll get back into our stock. Bought CVS, T-Mobile, and Uber. Um, First stock I bought was Uber at $34, and its last price is $35.99. Total gain of $11. T-Mobile was doing good yesterday. Today it's falling back some, but again, um, people do not flinch. Warren Buffett said it himself. You have to be like the mamba. A mamba doesn't flinch when you see the market go up and down. Um, so just give it time. And I E-Trade's awesome. Um, you can customize this to see this ex dividend date here. So you know when your thing's coming up and what the ex did and then what the payment out is. It's a good website. If you don't have it, you should jump onto it. But let's get back into our stock purchase today. So these are my watch list that I'm going to sooner or later purchase. Mixed bag here. So the ticker CVA, Holdings Group. So their PE is at zero, EPS is negative, but that's fine. This company is for the future. Everything on here is for the future. And I really like this this tab here, analyze research, with it has lots of potential upside to it, even on the low. Low is $9 with an upside of 11%. Average price target is 10.70 with going price right now is $8 and 8 cents. This is how I based a lot of my purchases on, is using this here, just as how they feel, but I believe in what the company does. Insider activities are also a good tab, so you can see if the CEO is making any purchases, or CFO, or if there's any awarded options or purchase or stock gifts. It's just a good way to get a feel for the company and what they're doing internally. I believe that's a big part. What else do we have? We have some. let's click fundamentals. Um, Balance sheet is always a good one. So here they're kind of going their cash and short term is kind of, here's a 5-year trend chart is looking pretty good. Total assets is looking all right. Goodwill net, liabilities, and this is a very good website for purchasing stocks compared to a Robinhood. You can't find most of this information there. So today, I have my $200 weekly deposit. I'm only gonna spend $100 today because next week I want to buy um, a larger share of a company. So I'll just hit buy. I just want to spend $100 today and see what it looks like. I want dollar amount $200. I'm just doing this reference for you guys so I can. Oh, $100. Sorry, I can get 12 shares. So I'll take 12 shares of this company. And price type on market. Good for the day. Preview order. So $96. Um, Again, it's just a savings account with a return basically. But there's always a risk of losing it. Um, like we seen back in March, the market lost 20%. But again, as any chart shows you, it can always bounce back. Let's look at the SPY and see what I'm talking about by bouncing back. If I click on a 1-year chart, let's blow it up here some. And here, before the China virus took over, we were about 339 on the high. And in a, for what is this, on February 19th to the March 22nd, we had the fastest decline in our stock market in history. And again, this is a great example of do not flinch. Stocks do come back, and over time, we are currently sitting at 252 today. So everything we do is for the long term. I wish I started this channel earlier, back in February and March, and just bought on the way down and continued to buy on the way up. This is a long-term account. I labeled this channel YouTube long term, so everybody could take a look at this and grow with me. And people, ladies and gentlemen, like and subscribe and see and leave a comment so I could look into another stock to purchase to add to my long term. Again, I'm doing this for you guys to see the power of long term growth, purchasing stocks. Well, that's